now we're gonna go for the ornaments that are more like wooden style. We have ShineOn, CustomCat, and JetPrint. So for the first one, we're gonna go from the one from ShineOn.
ShineOn. Everything is a song for me.
I love it.
I like it. It's just one-sided, but
Yeah.
it's nice.
I think
The quality.
The quality is really good. You can really see the colors popping. It's like really good sizes. You see perfect
Yeah.
names. You see perfect our faces.
Yeah.
And that are cute elf faces.
Oh, thank you.
And I really like the shape. I
Yeah,
mean,
I
for
really like the shape.
a heart ornament, I think it's really creative. If you want to go for more like
Traditional ones?
traditional one, they have the oval one and they have one with the star form. So they have a really good catalog of ornaments. And the price range, it's really good. It goes $7. I think
Okay.
for the material, it's really shiny and that. Mainly for that price, they can have the double printed.
Yes, because it's only one size.
But yeah.
But the string is nice
And for shipment goes to 3 to 5 days, so it's a
Okay.
really good thing to have in mind for when you're gonna go to order it. I really like it. I really think it is the one of the 3 that we have that the design really pops.
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
you're gonna see it when we show the other 2, but you will understand what I say. What do you think about this one?
Okay, well, like I like the shape because I like the stars. They remind me of snowflakes and all like this Christmas vibes. The quality is nice, but if I compare it with this one, I think that this one is much better.
This one is from CustomCat. As you can see, it has like a really like shiny
Cover like on top. Yeah.
That's really good because it really helps the design to like have a better quality as the shine. Also, as you can see, it's one-sided and it has like the borders from here. You can really see the material, the wooden material. So that's a thing to have in mind. I think these 2 are pretty similar. The thing that really changes is how the design is displayed, but I really like it.
I like it also,
I think
yeah.
it's a really also creative design to have like a star ornament like this. You can also have like the heart shape, a more oval one, or maybe a circle one. So you can go for creative, traditional, choose one or another, and I really like it.
I like
to be
it.
honest,
Yeah.
For shipment, it also go for 3 days, so they're quite similar.
Quite similar. And the price?
The price for this one is, if I'm not wrong, $5.
Okay.
5 something, maybe $5.75 for the price, but
Yeah, it's nice. It's worth it.
it's really good.
It's really good. I like it.
Yeah. Now we have the last one in this category, the last ornament.
Okay.
This one that we
Really?
have right now is from JetPrint,
Okay.
and I have a lot of things to say for this one.
Okay. Can I start?
Of course, Kyle, come on.
I also have a lot of things to say about this one. Like, let's start with the good ones.
I think the shape, it's super like creative.
Yeah.
It's like a gift one.
Yeah, like the shape is nice. Like, it's like, yeah, it's like totally different, and it looks like much more difficult to do than a star shape or a heart shape. And also it's double-sided, which
That's really nice.
it's really nice, and like the design is really nice too. But there comes my but. I don't like the quality.
Yeah, the print quality, it's quite different about the other ones because this one doesn't have like a glossy finish.
No, it's not glossy at all.
Yeah, it's really texture. You can see, like, you can really see like the wooden material on this one. That's a thing to really think about it when you order this type of ornaments. Also, because of that glossy finish that it doesn't have, you can really see like the colors are more like not as bright at this type of ornaments. Because of the 2 sizes, you can really have fun with the designs.
Yes.
As you can see here, as elf, and on the other side we have our like the really fun phrase and everything, so that's a really good thing. And another good thing about JetPrint that all the shapes that they have for the ornaments are like super creative.
Oh, well.
You can have like a bell, a stocking, these gift ones. So
well, that's a good pro.
that's like a really good pro because you can have really different ornaments, really creative ones that maybe your friends or your family go like, oh wow, I want that, I like it. And also this one goes to a price range of $2.
Ah, well, it's very cheap. Like,
Yeah, it's a really affordable ornament, so that's really good also. So now that we finished these ones, in my opinion, I will go with the ShineOn one. Yeah, As you can see, we are pretty the same.
We are the same.
Yeah, this one I think is the winner in this category because of
Yes.
the print style, because how the color pops, how the designs look really,
Definitely.
it's really defined, and also the heart shape. I think it's like
Yeah,
cute,
it's
you
cute.
know?
It's different.
Yeah.
Yeah. So definitely, I would go for this one too.
Oh, I love how our tree turned out.
Oh, look at our Christmas tree. It looks so nice.
Yeah, totally.
So,
We finished all the ornaments, and the good thing about this is that with Customly, you don't have to choose one provider. You can
Exactly.
connect with other providers that you want, and you can have a really good catalog of ornaments to offer in your store. So all the providers that we mentioned, they are all available in Customly, so you can choose any type of these ornaments to sell in your store and offer it to your shoppers. If you're looking for like a hero product to have this Christmas, personalized ornaments, it's really the answer.
yeah, you have like this ornament collection that you can choose whatever you want.
Yeah, so thank you for watching us. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. You, Vale, I hope that you really like your surprise and your new presents.
I love them.
And what are you waiting? Start your Christmas catalog right now with our POD providers in Customly and the designs that we have for you to choose. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Bye. Bye-bye.